2022 Subaru BRZ. Before we start, please subscribe our channel, and click the notification bell, so that you will be notified for the new video upload. The 2022 Subaru BRZ, equipped with STI parts super large rear wing. The sports kit created by STI for the new generation of BRZ, includes an aerodynamic kit consisting of a front lip, a small side skirt, and a two-piece rear enclosure. The fenders on both sides are also more stylish. Exaggerated air duct trim, but the most conspicuous thing is the super large GT tail wing made of carbon fiber, which is installed at the rear of the car, giving this little tail drifting sports car a sense of combat in an instant. The STI department has also installed some upgrade parts for the new generation of BRZ, including a sports exhaust tailpipe made of stainless steel, which is believed to be able to play a pleasant exhaust sound. As for the chassis, in addition to using 18-inch 5-spoke bronze BBSRI lightweight wheels, with Michelin Pilot Sport Performance tires of size 215/40R18, the BRZ STI exhibited at the scene was also installed with a 10mm lower body sport springs, and exclusive STI pull rods are installed on the front and rear of the body to further enhance the car handling performance. In terms of engine, STI has not made any upgrades. The new generation of BRZ is equipped with a 2.4-liter boxer engine, and has a 6-speed automatic transmission, and manual transmission optional, matching a pure rear drive with a differential. It can output of maximum 228 horsepower, and 249 Nm torque. It only takes 6.3 seconds to brake 100, which is quite impressive. The current BRZ was jointly developed with STI, and BRZ STI Sports was set to further improve sportiness and quality, but unlike that, this vehicle is equipped with STI parts, that will be set as genuine accessories on the standard car. What do you think of this car? Let us know of your comments. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share to our channel for more updates. Thank you very much for watching.